All right, so here's day 2, properties of logs. I'm not saying that name. And our essential question today is, how do I use the inverse property of logs and exponents along with change of base formula?
So these are very convenient properties. Let's look carefully at them. The inverse property of logs and exponents says this. Notice the log when the base is b and it's the same as the a value. Notice it says it's a b.
Right.
When they're the same, your
10 and 10.
answer is equal to the
The
exponent.
That's easy enough.
Easy. And then when you have a formula like b to the log, so this time log is the exponent, b to the log base b of x, okay? Again, the answer is equal to, this case, not the whole exponent, but just the x.
Just the 2.
These are properties that we just need to remember.
Okay.
And we can use them. Change of base formula, what that means is when you can't use mental math, like 2 to what power is equal to 8, we can do that. When it's not possible because you will end up with a decimal, then you have to change the base. And how you do that, you take the log of the first number divided by the log of the second one. And we'll show an example of how to do that. And in a sense, what you're doing is you're changing the base to base 10.
Okay.
Okay, that's what we're going to do. So let's go through here. Now, right away, I noticed.
This is easy.
And you know the funny thing about this, Miss Boyd? I want to point something out. We're going to do this problem 2 ways.
Okay.
Number
Can
1.
I do the easy way?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So I see we got a 3. Our answer
Is
is
11.
11.
But
Bam. Done.
if someone did not recognize that,
Mhm.
we could use the power property.
We would just
So let's
throw
show
this
that. Yep, so
here.
let's show the
So
work
we
on
would
that
have
one.
11
Mm-hmm.
log, oh boy, log
Mm-hmm.
of 3
Yep. And the big
is
3.
3 equals x. X goes here.
Mm-hmm.
So we say in this box, because we're keeping it simple,
Right.
3 to what power
Is equal
gives
to
us
3.
3? Well,
One.
It's just 1.
And 11 times 1 is
And then we
11.
times them, and we get
Right.
11.
So what we're trying to show you is if you don't recognize the property, you can do it the other way too.
Okay.
Okay, now look at B.
Yeah.
So now, okay, I can't use a property.
No.
So now guess what we do? We change it to exponential. So we set that equal to
Oh.
x,
Well, that's easy enough.
right, and send
So
3 to the x power is equal to,
81.
and you ask yourself, 3 to what power is 81? It's actually 4.
I lied. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27,
Times 3 is 81. So the answer is 4.
Whew.
You're done. So you can't always use the property, but
Okay.
you always are changing a log to exponential form.
Okay.
Let's go to the next page and see what's on the next page.
It'll let us.
It'll let us. I'm trying. Oh my.
Here we go.
There,
Just
slow motion.
Slow.
Let's try this. Well, I see a property. Notice the 5 is the same as the base and the log, so the answer is just 10
Bam.
by the property.
Done.
Yep. It's that easy. It's all we have to do.
Here, if we don't have one, we assume it's 10. They're the
Same,
same.
0.9.
Answer. Bam.
Here, the 2 is the same as that 2. The answer is,
Yeah.
that's it. It's that easy.
Oh my
All
god.
right, isn't that so nice?
Yes.
Okay, so let's look now. Let's see, which one are we on? We are on,
Next page.
oh, you circled 0.9. Okay, never
Yeah.
mind.
Yeah, I
Oh,
did it.
here we go. Let's,
Yeah.
well, look, we have a log.
Yeah.
So let's we write that equal to x,
Yeah,
right?
just equal to x.
And we write 32.
So it'll go there. So we
Yep,
got
32 to the what
x
power equals 8.
8.
Oh, yikes.
Ooh.
Mental math on that?
I
No
can't do that.
way.
No.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to change the base to a base 10, and I will show you how to do that.
Okay, thanks.
So right now, let's write, I want you to write log, and then write kind of the problem that we started with. Would you do that? 32, 8,
down here. Okay.
and 8. Set that equal to, are you ready?
Mhm.
Log, and write base 10, even though you don't have to, just so they know we're
Just so you
changing to
remember.
10. 8 is the big number, over, so the whole thing, sorry, the
Oh,
whole
okay.
thing. I'm sorry, I better
That's okay.
be more clear here.
All right, get this
Fix
8
that 8
back.
for me. So the whole thing is over log.
Oh, yeah.
Remember, we have to change, yep, base 10.
10 of 32.
Yes. So we're always taking the bigger number, the log of 8, over the log of the old base,
Got
which is
it.
32. All you need is a calculator. You type this into any calculator.
Oh, nice.
And the reason we change it to base 10 is because in the calculator,
It uses base 10.
So all you're doing is typing log 8 divided by log 32.
And
And your answer is 0.6. It's that easy.
Sweet.
So why don't we try the next one in class, because it's going to
Okay,
be another
yeah,
change
good
of base
idea.
formula. Oh, let's see that one.
That's okay, we
They're
can do
both. Do you want to do both in class?
Sure.
Okay. So
Sweet, nice and
simplify.
easy.
Really, they're both like
Oh,
2
boy, look at-
seconds.
Bam, bam.
Bam. And
Ah.
over there too. Bam, bam.
So you should get these right. There's no math involved. If not, you're not reading the questions.
I agree.
See you tomorrow.